very much appreciated that.
Ce geste d'amitié démontre, si besoin était, la totale intégration de nos amis singapouriens au sein de notre population. D'ailleurs, ce matin, de nombreux Singapouriens participaient au nettoyage de nos belles plages océanes, et je les en remercie.
This event also demonstrates the very good integration of our Singaporean friends in our community, and I might add, this very morning we had an action going on the beaches of La Teste, the cleaning of the detritus which were coming over during winter time, and a big number of Singaporean fellow men and fellow women participated in this action, and we very much acknowledge this deed.
La présence des Singapouriens depuis maintenant plus de 2 ans à la Teste de Buch et dans les communes environnantes a attiré, il faut le constater, sympathie et amitié. C'est à mon sens tout à fait normal, compte tenu du comportement exemplaire qu'ils manifestent depuis le début de leur séjour.
The presence of the Singaporeans since now more than 2 years at La Teste and in the neighboring communities has developed sympathies and friendship. It is therefore very normal, and I consider it as being normal for the behavior of these Singaporeans, and their integration is absolutely perfect.
Merci pour le cadeau que vous avez fait à la population testerine en acceptant de venir vous produire ici avec votre prestigieux orchestre au grand complet. Vous avez réussi à cette occasion à renforcer un peu plus les liens qui désormais unissent nos 2 peuples.
Thank you for the gift you have offered to the La Teste population by accepting to come and to play with your prestigious orchestra and its big number of musicians. You have, at that occasion, you participated in tightening the bonds which now unite our 2 people.
Bonne fin de séjour parmi nous, dans ce pays de Buch, que nous sommes heureux et fiers de vous faire découvrir.
Thank you, and we wish you a good and pleasant stay at the Pays de Buch, which is the region of La Teste, and we will be happy and proud to show you our region.
Vive Singapour, vive la Teste de Buch. Merci, et maintenant, à moins que quelqu'un d'entre vous voudrait prendre la parole.
Is there somebody from the Singaporeans which would like to talk, to take the microphone?
Well, first and foremost, merci beaucoup, Monsieur Major. I think it's only befitting that we also reciprocate by thanking the mayor and the officials of La Teste for so warmly hosting us.
Nous remercions le maire de La Teste et également la population pour cet accueil chaleureux.
Indeed, I must express that the pleasure and the honor is really for us to be able to come here.
En réalité, le plaisir et l'honneur étaient de notre côté d'être invités pour venir ici.
And the small token that we could have done, I think if it will help with the warming and the tightening of relationships, then I think the band, every single member of my band here would feel very proud and honored.
Et si ce petit gage de la performance cet après-midi a contribué à renforcer les liens entre nos 2 populations, je serai très heureux que chacun de mes musiciens aura contribué à ça.
as we have actually been here on a tour, as you have previously mentioned, on an international music festival, it is also not by chance that we decided that we should come to La Teste first.
Et comme nous sommes sur une tournée pour participer à une compétition internationale de musique militaire en France, c'est pas le pur hasard qui nous a menés à La Teste.
My only hope was that, well, perhaps if we had been able to play more for you, we would have preferred to be able to do that.
Et si on aurait eu un peu plus de temps, on aurait préféré de jouer encore davantage de morceaux pour vous. Le président de l'orchestre, le dirigeant.
Oh, santai. Ya, sambil. Ah, wait. Dia lambat. Masuk sila lagi dah plan. Tadi tengok keluar. Pictures of Eric.
Oh, master does the music very good.
What's that? Green one. Champagne.
Huh? No.
What's that? It's the second mayor. The first mayor. Batam itu. Never go lah. Dulu Ramadan.
That's alright. Eric. Hey, look very sian lah. Enjoying yourself so far? Enjoying yourself so far? Hello, Alvin?
Can you see him? Go away. Can you see him? I'm angry. Can you see him? Can you see him?
Say hello. Say hello. Oh, still going at it. Still hungry. Haven't had dinner yet.
You need more holy water.
Yes. Showing my red face.
Huh?
Showing my red face.
You're not red, not so red. 这个好用，好用。哎，要用多一点。
France. Don't forget.
What's your name?
Tell them not to forget this.
What's one? What's your name?
Daniel.
Daniel.